following is an analysis of I Got It Bad measures 1 through 8. Here's measure 1. So we have an ascending bass line and a leap up to the G. So the ascending bass line. Alright, now in this particular arrangement we're starting to utilize chord family 1, 2, 4, and 5 on the third beat of measure number 1. That will be the C major 7th chord. Chord family 1, 2, 4, and 5. Okay, measure number 2. We have a descending bass line there with the pedal E on the last upbeat of the 4th beat of that measure. Measure number 3. Measure 3, we have an ascending bass line, and the A, C sharp, D, and E. Measure 4. Okay, measure number 4, beats 1 and 2 continue with the ascending bass line. In beat 3 we have an A7 augmented 11th arpeggio. Beat number 4 we have an E flat 9 arpeggio, which by the way is a reharmonization of the A7th chord that this beat measure number 4 is based on. It's tritone substitution. Again, another video will be devoted to that concept of tritone substitution. Okay, measure number 5. Let's do that one over again. Okay, measure number 5, we have an ascending bass line in beats 1 to 3. Beat number 4, I erroneously played it the first time. Beat number 4, we have an interesting device that can be done on the guitar, other fretted instruments, but it's a lot more applicable to the guitar, where we have a higher note on a lower string. Creates an interesting dissonant clash there. So that would be beat number 4 of measure number 5. Measure number 6. This is a little tricky, this measure. Okay, measure number 6, we have primarily a chromatic ascending bass line. Beat number 1, we have a B7 chord with actually a G in the bass, so you can construe that as a B chord with a +5 and a 5, or you can just view it as a B chord. This would be the B chord, first inversion B chord with a G in the bass, so you could construe that as a B/G chord. Beat number 2, 3, and 4, we're just continuing with the ascending bass. Now we come to measure number 7. Measure number 7, we have a upper neighboring tone. First we have the G in the first inversion, upper neighbor tone, the A, resolving to G, and then in beats 3 and 4 of that measure we have principally an E minor 7 arpeggiated riff, scalic figure actually. Measure number 8. Beats 1 and 2 we have an A minor 7 flat 13 9 arpeggio, followed by beats number 4, D7 flat 5 chord with the 13th added, and the final chord another D7 flat 9 with the root also, creating an interesting dissonant effect. Thank you.